Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Scott Nelson here, and I am absolutely blessed to be able to take the next few minutes to share some of the most exciting news about a company that is literally preparing to revolutionize the online marketing world. The company is called OnPassive, and for those of you that have never heard the story of what has been happening over the last year and a half, as this powerful online marketing system has been developed for us and will soon be released in the coming days ahead, you are in for a special treat. I really want to encourage you to take the time, just get quiet, take some notes. If you have any questions, jot them down. And I think you're going to really be blessed with the information I'm going to share over the next couple of minutes. Now, for those of you that have not looked into the opportunity with OnPassive and GoFounders, what we're going to be talking about here today is number one, what is OnPassive all about and who is in charge? A little bit about the owner himself, what the OnPassive product line is, and why these products are so sorely needed for our industry. Also, talk about the opportunity currently available, what the benefits are, and the opportunity for you to take advantage at the very beginning before anybody else really gets involved by becoming one of our founding members of OnPassive and GoFounders. So, what exactly is OnPassive? Well, first of all, it's a very real company. We actually have three different campuses right now. Our U.S. headquarters are located in Orlando, Florida, and we have two technology offices in India. And we are currently working with many other partners globally, but currently OnPassive has three different campuses operating around the world. And we are a powerful internet business specializing on online marketing tools, platforms, and business solutions. And we offer brick and mortar assets. Now, what we want to encourage you to do is reach for the stars because our founder, Mr. Ash Mufareh, he is definitely a superstar in this industry. Ash has been working exclusively in the online marketing business for much of the last 20 years. He has a master's of information technology and e-commerce. He's attended Harvard University to learn his skill set about online marketing and business creations. And he's definitely a family man with a beautiful wife and kids living in Orlando, Florida. And OnPassive's products are very, very impressive to say the least. When you look at many of the what we call the spoke, this just basically covers the very beginning of OnPassive's website. We have daily sales funnels, video sales funnels. We have branding and solo domain ads for each and every one of our affiliates. We have a data cleaner. We have a bulk emailing platform, our own webinar platform, and much, much more. And this is just the beginning because remember, OnPassive has not even launched at this moment. So just to think about the potential of having 10, 20 different products included in one price. For those of you that are trying to build a home-based business, whether it's online or offline, whether you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or any other types of marketing, you definitely are going to be thankful that you have the arsenal of the online marketing products that comes with your OnPassive membership. This is a non-competitive, self-funding online marketing solution that is offering you a revolutionary breakthrough compensation plan that will set you free financially, 100% guaranteed. That's right. When you hear me say guaranteed, just think about working with a company that absolutely guarantees that you are 100% satisfied. And if at any time you are not, you are entitled to a 100% money back guaranteed, no questions asked. Now, we are a company that does not require any auto ship, no recruiting or converting of leads. We can give you guaranteed traffic delivered to your websites, your sales funnels, your video pages. All you need to know is let them know where you want your traffic directed. This is a self-funding matrix compensation plan, which means all of your advancements through our matrix with the 4 different membership levels will come from you through your earnings, so you do not have to pay to get started. You'll pay one time, as little as $25, and after that, you will not have to or ever be required to reach into your pocket or your wallet to fund your following month's package. Everything will be done for you. This is a passive, 100% hands-free platform. We offer every single imaginable online marketing tool that you will ever need for your success. And this is all accessible in one location. And remember, all of our products and services, everything with OnPassive is 100% completely proprietary, so there's no copycatting or recycled tech products or services with OnPassive. We make them, we build them, and we own them, and no one else will ever have them. Not to mention that we offer the lowest price anywhere in the world on these products. Products like sales rotators, sales funnels, landing pages, bulk emailers, email campaign data cleaners that will scrub all of your data for you, contact management platforms, autoresponders, domain names, site creators, web hosting, webinar hosting, crowdfunding platforms, and more. Think about these benefits for just a moment. This is a platform that you can use to fund any solution that you may be passionate about, no matter what the cause might be. All of commissions that are earned through the OnPassive compensation plans are paid immediately in real time to your online wallet, and you can withdraw as often as you like. Unlimited residual income is paid daily. No more waiting for paychecks month after month. Top marketing automation, like I said, that is done completely for you, and this will guarantee that you will have quality, targeted, focused traffic and visitors along with signups for whatever business opportunity, product, or service that you are promoting online. Breakthrough products for financial freedom and the automation of earnings without having to be out there recruiting and selling, and a lot more. Now, our Buckminster Fuller said, "You'll never change things by fighting against the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the old model obsolete." This online marketing platform is destined to render the past standards of online marketing obsolete. Our business model is so unique because we provide the platform to those with businesses so that they and their teams can become more successful. And this allows us to see them increase their abundance. We provide to those that have no business or success in other marketing a plug and play system that guarantees their success, and we seek to help them obtain abundance. So why do you think you need OnPassive? Compare the list. This is the current model. Many of you, like myself, have been in the online marketing or home-based business marketing arena for many years. And so most of you are familiar with the current model of the way that business is done. It always seems to be based on competition and conflict with other people. Unfortunately, you've been around this industry for any period of time. If you've been looking online for business opportunities, every day there seems to be 100 new businesses coming online and people advertising them all over social media. But unfortunately, better than 95% of them just won't work out. Some of you may call them scams. I just call them businesses that never had a chance of succeeding even before they started, which, of course, when you get involved with a scammy or a company that does not stick around very long, your money just goes into a fire pit and you burn through it dollar after dollar, month after month, year after year. And the reason that most people under today's business conditions working from home do not succeed is because normally it will require you to sell products, services, or opportunity. And certainly if you want to build your team, you have to go out and recruit other people. And the sad fact is that very few people, there's that 95% of you that are watching this presentation, and you are not a salesperson and you don't like to sell. You don't feel like bugging your friends, relatives, and family. So anything that requires you to find other people, you simply do not know how to do it. And if you do have tools, they're usually offered to you separately and cost you extra money over and above what you're paying each and every month for your own products and services. Additional tools cost you extra, and there are no guarantees to your success. And it normally will pit marketer against each other. And of course, your compensation is based really only on your own efforts. Now, compare that with the new way, the best way, called OnPassive, and its new model. This platform is based on everybody succeeding. We call that mutual benefit. This is a real business with real products, real people, and real services and teamwork that is going to guarantee your success. And with self-funding, the platform actually pays you just to use it. The marketer does not need to sell or recruit ever, and there are no sponsoring requirements in order for you to get paid. Every tool needed for your success is included with the OnPassive platform, and all tools are included in one low price. And as I mentioned earlier, you will always enjoy the 100% lifetime money back guarantee. Marketers will only be competing with themselves and nobody else, and revolutionary breakthrough compensation will allow you to achieve your own desire of financial freedom as quickly as you would like. This is 100% risk-free, so if for any reason at all you are not perfectly satisfied at any time, you will be entitled to a full refund, no questions asked. And now, as we get ready to launch OnPassive, we have an advantage of you in offering you one of our few remaining global founders positions. That's right. You can become a founding member even before OnPassive launches. You will be given your very own membership that will give you your very own Go Founders exclusive website. You'll be given access before the public globally, which will position you in front of thousands, even eventually millions of other marketers who will join as we grow forward, which of course will give you priority positioning in the company matrix. You will be a member of the inner circle, which will allow you to be involved in the beta testing of our OnPassive platform that we will be starting soon. You'll brainstorm and you'll be able to give feedback, plus so many more opportunities. I would highly tell you that you should expect to be impressed like never before. Remember this, you can again. You can get started and finally change you and your family's life forever. So I ask you, are you ready to live your dreams? Then what you'll want to do is get back to the person who invited you to watch this video, and make sure that you take immediate action, as our founders' positions are very close to going away. You can become a founding member of OnPassive for only a one-time $97. So get back to the person that got you this information, get your questions answered, and get started today. 33,000 others have become founders already in less than a year, and your journey to your destiny begins with one confident step. Thank you so much, and always remember, with OnPassive and Go Founders, you and I are in it together to win it. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.